just check if
ball is there again for Joe Powell. Intercept! First try of the game coming up. Julian Savia will score under the posts. So the way it goes to Ledger. Now Lomapi, short ball to Barrett. Good defence on him too by Tamua. And somehow it bounces up for Lomapi. And away he goes. Gets support too from Tomateni. Now Billy Proctor. And the Hurricanes are in again. Having a good period on attack here as Michael Wells takes it. Charging hard is Naisarani once more. Now Callaway gets it away, and that's a lovely try. And they're looking to walk over the top of this, and they've done it. And off goes Proctor. Billy Proctor charging out of a few tackles, still going. Off to Savia! He's in again. Try number 2. Powell has a little snipe. Got to pass away nicely to Worth. Looking very promising here as they all line up. Away it goes to Eloff. Now Powell, another penalty coming. So it's mounting up here. Here's Magnay looking to get his way through and almost there for the stretch, and he got the try. Now another powerful run by Gareth Evans. Now Roygard sends it away. Here's the cross kick. Boyson lines it up and scores. He's won the penalty, Alex Fidow, plus he's trying to throw the pass as well. Quickly taken by Roygard, and off he goes. Sends it wide for Lomapi. Looking to link up. Still scampering away, Lomapi. Still going. Now they set it up 5 metres away. Roygard pops it up. It's been dragged away, though, by one of the Rebels players. Gone loose. It's there for Fidow. Couple of metres short of the line. Places it. O'Moore. He'll have a charge at the line. And I think he scored. He has. So the Hurricanes do get their bonus point. It was hard earned. And they get the victory as well here at Sky Stadium tonight. 35 points to 13.